I hope you love our new logo as much as we loved bringing it to you. Our new logo signifies our bold and innovative approach and underscores our commitment to drive the change in Indian automotive industry. Ladies and gentlemen, we at Kia believe in the power of ideas, in the power of progress, and in the power of inspiration.
Hello everyone, thanks for joining us. Today is the beginning of a new chapter in our growth journey in India. However, I believe we have already laid a strong foundation for this with a manufacturing facility at Andhra Pradesh and by attaining the 4th most sold car brand status in India. We are proud to make in India, and we along with our vendor partners have already made an investment of up to $2 billion in our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. With a long-term commitment to India, we'll continue to drive a positive change in industry and customer experiences through our innovative products and services. Launched during industry slowdown, our debut product Kia Seltos continues to be among the top-selling cars in the country. In fact, every third car sold in the segment is a Seltos, making Kia the fastest car maker to achieve 250,000 sales figure in the country. What makes us extremely proud is that today a Kia is bought in India every 2 minutes. Our future strategy in India relies on translating the new philosophy, movement that inspires. We believe in taking leaps in technology by launching future-ready products, attaining higher level of digitization, and creating more and more affinity for the brand Kia. This will determine our growth in the country. We've always created new product categories and leveraged technology by creating segment-first innovations to address customer needs. Kia led the adoption of connected car technology in India, and today we are the connected SUV leaders in the country. With focus on comfort and convenience for our new age customers, we'll further strengthen our leadership in connected cars and will continue to bring our features that elevate the customer experience. We debuted in India with a fully digitized sales and service initiative. Kia is the first automaker in India to offer an end-to-end, contactless, paperless after-sales service. This includes industry's first advanced pick and drop facility, along with live vehicle movement tracking, inducing more confidence and transparency amongst the customers.
Welcome to the journey of inspiration.
Kia, movement that inspires.